Want perfect pasta every single time? Here's the secret to getting it right. Tip 1. Salt your water like the sea. First, always salt your water, and I mean a lot. It should taste like the sea. This step is key for adding flavor to the pasta as it cooks. Tip 2. Skip the oil. Forget about adding oil to the water. It might prevent sticking, but it also keeps your sauce from sticking to the pasta later. Tip 3. Stir while cooking. Give it a stir every couple of minutes, so it doesn't stick to itself. This keeps everything cooking evenly. Tip 4. Save pasta water for sauce. Before draining, save a cup of that starchy pasta water. It's the secret ingredient for making your sauce silky smooth. Tip 5. Toss in sauce while hot. Toss your pasta into the sauce while it's hot, don't rinse it. This helps the pasta soak up the sauce and flavors perfectly. And there you have it. Perfect pasta every time. Want more quick tips like this? Hit that follow button for more cooking hacks. Follow for more tips.